Phonological description of annoying sounds you need to stop making. Final rising tone. This is uptalk when your tone rises at the end of every sentence, or even more often than that. We all do it bits sometimes, but could you maybe not do it all the time? Final creaky phonation. You may have heard this called vocal fry. It's the kind of faux mature drawl, inspiring to casualness and in-group knowledge, and just stop. Fortis voiceless alveopalatal fricative. Shh, 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 shh. Velar ingressive labiodental fricative. Pulmonic ingressive breathy voiced rising tone neutral vowel. Fortis long final consonant with epenthetic neutral vowel. Just don't do this. Pulmonic ingressive voiceless alveolar glide and mid-central vowel with optional unreleased final bilabial stop. Yeah. Yeah. Sustained mid-central vowel and or bilabial nasal. Alveolar, alveopalatal, or post-alveolar click. Loud, long, low back vowel with advanced tongue root and full oral opening. For theweek.com, this is James Harbeck. Thank you.